નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Welcome students to sixth part of 14th chapter, How Big, How Heavy of Standard 5th Mathematics. In the last part we discussed about the matchbox and did the matchbox activity. Now in this part we will do a very interesting activity, that is making a paper cube. You also will be able to do the same, but for that first of all we have to go for a paper and we have to fold in such a way so that we can prepare a cube. So first of all, open page number 193 in your textbook, and now let's try to make a paper cube in which Anand and his friend are making a cube with paper. They cut a sheet of paper into a square 19.5 centimeter side. They cut 6 such squares. Follow those photos to make your paper cube. Okay, see, we are preparing only one cut. The square should be of 19.5 centimeters, but if it is not, then take this type of 6 square cuts. Okay, square cut or square papers. Now let's go for, see, to make you understand, I did some pencil lines in this side and other side is this is plain side. Okay, so let me make this. Now what to do? We have to fold this paper into 4 parts. We want to fold this paper into 4 parts. For that, let me fold one and once again. So this is 4 part. Do something like this so that you could see all these parts should be of equal size. That is very important. Okay, so now we can see there are 4 parts, isn't it? Now what to do? Fold this upper part into inner side and the last part once again into lower part, something like this. You can see, fold these 2 parts this way. Okay, now we have to fold this one from where? From here, this one in such a way, in this way. Okay, if I fold from this corner of the upper part, something like this, then fold this corner. See, this is upper for you, this is upper left corner. Then this part, this lower right corner, fold it in this way. Now, okay, so we have folded these 2, this one upper left corner and lower bottom right corner in such way. Okay, now you can see. Now what to do? Fold this like this, and fold this like this, and then after folding that, something like this, fold this part, this half part in such a way, in this way. And if you fold this upper part in this way, then in this part, this lower part, fold this lower part, so that you will come to know this way. This shape you will find. But something is required. What you will do? This folded part, put this folded part in this. You can see this one into this one. Put this folded part into this one. Okay. Now put this folded part into this one. You can see into this one. Okay. Now you will find something behind, something like this. Okay. So this is one of the folding. Now we require this type of 6 foldings. How many? 6 foldings. Why? Because a cube always have 6 sides, है ना, 6 surfaces. That is why we require 6 folds like this. Okay, I have the another one. I prepare one more. So these are 2 I have. I didn't prepare 6. This is just to make you understand. Now, if you have, then what to do? We have to insert this part, or suppose this is, you can see, look into this part. See, this is plain part, this is plain side, but here you can see something like this, something like pocket, something like pocket. Now do this something like that. Insert this part into this. Okay, insert this part. Let me insert properly. See, you can see, insert this part into this. So we will be able to insert this part into this, and if we will fold this, then you can see this is one surface, this is the second surface, and same way, if you will fold this part and this part, insert in the other, so you will be able to prepare one of the cube, something like this. Okay, you will be able to prepare the cube of something like this. Okay, so this will be the cube. Okay, this is one surface, this is second surface. Now 4 more you have to prepare, and you will be able to prepare the cube. And if you could not understand, then read in the textbook on the page number 193 and go for the set. Now, then after preparing this cube, we have, how big is your cube? We have an exercise on the page number 194. There is an exercise. How big is your cube? Okay, so let's try to understand and answer this one. See, first question is that, how long is the side of your cube? So first of all, after preparing this cube, you have to measure. See, this is the side of this cube. This is the side of this cube, isn't it? This much. So this is one of the side. So we have to measure this side of the cube. Say it is 7 centimeter. It is 7 centimeter. The side of the cube is 7 centimeter. Okay. Then B. How many centimeter cubes? See, this is 7 centimeter side. Then small centimeter cubes. How many centimeter cubes can be arranged along its length? So along its length, only 1 centimeter cube is there. Then, and the length of this cube, our main cube, is 7. So 1 centimeter cube we can arrange 7, lengthwise 7. Same way, widthwise also 7, and height-wise also 7. Total all this side. Why? Because this cube have 3 dimensions: length, width, and height. And all that wise, we can arrange 1 centimeter cube 7, 7, 7 each. Then answer the Thimpu's questions. To make the first layer on the table, how many centimeter cubes will I use? See, first layer. See, main big cube is there, in which we want to put 1 centimeter cubes at the bottom. Then we have to put lengthwise and heightwise, lengthwise and widthwise 7, 7 cubes, isn't it? So how many cubes will I use? For that, Thimpu has to prepare. Thimpu, how many cubes? I think I forget one of the question. How many cubes of 1 centimeter in all do I need to make a platform as big as paper cube? One question I forget in the textbook, it is there. So total how many cubes of 1 centimeter does it require to prepare a platform of that big cube? Then the total centimeter cubes are required. See, lengthwise 7, widthwise 7, height-wise 7, isn't it? So it will be required 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7 is equal to 143. 343 cubes, 343 centimeter cubes, अथवा तो cubes of 1 centimeter, cubes of 1 centimeter. Okay. Now, if there is Thimphu's question, to make the first layer on this, see, first layer is we have to put 1 centimeter cubes lengthwise and widthwise, है ना? So to make the first layer, we will have to use 7 cubes lengthwise, 7 cube widthwise is equal to 49 cubes of 1 centimeter. So to prepare the first layer, we have to use 7 into 7, 49 cubes. Then, how many such layers will I need? See, suppose there is a cube. This is our main cube. Okay? This is our main cube. Now 1 centimeter cube. So we have to arrange 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See, this is the first layer, isn't it? This is the first layer. Okay. So this is the first layer. All these cubes are there, isn't it? This is the first layer in which we require 49 cubes in the first layer. But height-wise also we have to put 7 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So height-wise also the total 7 layers. One layer requires 49 cubes. So total 7 layers are there. How many such layers will I need to make a paper cube? 7 layers. Why? Because total 7, the height is 7 centimeter. So total centimeter cubes. So 7 lengthwise, 7 widthwise, 7 height-wise. And so total centimeter cubes are 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7 is equal to 343 cubes. Cubes of 1 centimeter. Of 1 centimeter. Okay. The volume of the paper cube is same as. Now the volume of the paper cube is also same as 343 centimeter cubes. So this is the volume. Now the second question is that Anand made a big cube having double the size of your paper cube. How many of your paper cube will fit in it? Now Anand prepare another cube, but it has double the size of our paper cube. Now our paper cube was having 7, 7, 7, 7 length, 7 width, 7 height. Now the cube of the Anand is double the size, that is 14. So cube of Anand have the side 14 and 14, isn't it? Now our cube 14 is what? This 14 is equal to what? This 14 is equal to 2 multiplied by 7. I can write For this 14, I can write 2 multiplied by 7, and for this, I can write 2 multiplied by 7, isn't it? Now our cube is 7, 7, and 7. So let me write all these 7 first of all. So this 7, 7, 7, that is our cube. And now left is 2, 2, and 2. 1, 2, and 3 2's, isn't it? So it is 7, 7, 7 multiplied by 2 2's are 4, 2's are 8. Huh? So this is our cube. If we want understand this question, Anand made a big cube having double the side of your cube. How many of your paper cube will fit in it? Now our paper cube is having this one, then our paper cube will fit in it 8. Okay, so our 8 cubes will be fit in the Anand's that cube. Okay, I hope you must have understood this session, and try to prepare the square, try to prepare the cube, from the square paper, and we'll meet you in the next part. Thank you. Thank you for joining us. Take care of yourselves, and we'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.